So enra na sofo panyini bi akofa flyer bi e de akoto asofo group bi so na odi two group no so na ya asofo no pass comment na asofo no kase enti kremoni standia mon kanchire mo masore mana mo obi anto makremoni and I'm say me media me want evidence kremufu a etie me. And so when you speak like this, we are so funny, to me more than what ubu pa minti. But the way you know, I'm on side to say the way abofra. Go down sorry kakrakano. So why do you create this unity? Papa Sofo, who influence Ukruma pa? But a ferry say.
So get closer to presidency, Bioma Paka, and no one be a no. It will have national security implications. There'll be political instability. There'll be political. There'll be Ghana will not be. Will have the most regrettable rule ever. We'll have a bitter taste of rule.
Are you making reference to Bawumia?
Yes, I'm making reference to Bawumia. If we allow Bawumia, Napo, you see, the Lord opened my eyes and I saw, say, assumed in a chip. Mean we say assume edi that way Bawumia a chip. Now, oh, baby, oh, soon, be we say, to me ending a chip. Near the presidency, the most, he doesn't have that. And then maybe one of the, I think within the months, some few months ago, me say ship so not a we friends say we donkey so.
Okay.
And I'm gonna say a flagging with the Ghanaian, yeah, they are close with the Ghanaian flag. Into the me and I said donkey na ship na and nam kwan so. Lorry kwan so. So we the prophet no. Yenamene kasa by symbols. The donkey ship means governorship. And a ship ends and nante Lord Council. Ship and so Shania Nana Kufuado Edi Name Wafa Odi Afrom. Na se nyame di for esan kan yame nkwa di for bebre he bet angel and then before coming on set wafre I congratulate Mahama says the next president of Ghana.
Abusia sene na entiye no na momonten so kire se mampani abadeche Dr. Mahama Bawumia esan se oye kramoni tinkan wo se Christopher eto abano de ma no na ka enim se nsemi baaye esi hwa esam ne baaye no edin ama monten na so se de ye hu wo mo a ede san nsem no ebeto monten so a wo mu gina mo prophet so kwa preach a wo de ye asem eka se enwo se yeto abano de ma so fopani ye wo se yeto abano edema mampani abedeche Dr. Mahama Bawumia seme no ka se Reverend Owusu Ansa ya odi ne dwuma ewo Adom FM no ababonten abekire se platform bi a wo so no audio bi a edi ahim ne fly bi a edi ahim ne kire se asofo ni bi abopo sema ye nto abano emfa ma ye mampani abedeche Dr. Mahama Bawumia esanse oye muslim nti ebusua anso ho Prophet Nigel Gaisie so ababonten ababe respond to sa ensem ya ekosu eno na mede eba besom na ansa na no me kai wo se Prophet Dr. Abednego contact me this screen no asemo betimi afre for all your spiritual problems na fe wa subscribe e ma page me too much GH ya kai na ka ga on kan sa no upload bi aba onsa ebetimi aka ebusua ma yenko ne ho send video no e nsem tie
so enra na sofo panyini bi akofa flyer bi e de akoto asofo group bi so na odi two group no so na ya sofo no pass comment na sofo no kase enti kremoni standia mon kanchire mo masore mana mo obi anto makremoni and I'm say me media me want evidence kremufu a etie me. And so when you speak like this, we are so funny, to me more than what ubu pa minti. But the way you know, I'm on side to say the way abofra. Go down sorry kakrakano. So why do you create this unity? Papa Sofo, who influence Ukruma pa? But a ferry say o can't say 7 page na so. Sadia na we say one ferry na wo kan ye na fa sofo no bia ye ene kremoni de sadia na papa sofo ye no me mo wodi hu ba me ade na wo kan ye no e me ferry ma am a fairy mount, Papa Sofo. Discrimination. When we are preaching Christ, we don't discriminate. Eti wode wobetimi atunkrofo for basa statement na wo make here no Papa Sofo. No flyer no ha. To una ade ba 2 page no so. What the two so into feel ye na e woso nyina na obia na e believe in your philosophy and your ideology. Any dia wo akoma kire wo. It is a childish decision. I am kwada asem. Papa Sofo, me you are no ha. Ba me mo wudin. Ba minim se wona wo ye wona wo de 2 page no so. And then you allow people to condemn and to you can influence people in that negative manner. Papa Sofo, srewa ebe ya anka yi kura efiri so. Nazo so say wa ma de na kwachiri.
John Mahama, NDC wins majority in parliament, and the flag bearership were presidential and so on. John Mahama win. But again, you can't soon no maybe your physical activities. Yeah, there maybe soon nipa, many politician, and many political actor. It's ya kind of say no. It's a so omoje. No more the ejuma. Ejuma says on the only thing they have to do this time is to be tough, wild, aggressive, and vigilant. So mutsimi yes at the police station. John Mahama will be declared.
Omunya tough, omunya wild, omunya aggressive,
yes,
omunya vigilant.
Omunya tough, wild, vigilant, and aggressive. Some way no more bo abanho by when they protect the ballots. NDC will be the next ruling party in Ghana.
I see, because okase omunye aggressive sana. Obiti weka say prophet person we say or share NDC for to misbehave. Election.
No, it's not make aggressive here. Not illegally aggressive. Say we being conferred to and also being conferred second and say because now over the years they are going to deal with thieves. And I don't miss, and I'll not miss anywhere here. They are going to meet thieves at the police station. They are going to meet people who are power drunk, people who are corrupt, people who have a lot of things in their sleeves, who not until so some of us we are privileged to know and hear because of where we sit and because you're soon suma hoarding. But election day, no, say imagine say they are going to meet soft gloves there, then they are joking. They are not going to meet soft gloves. They are going to meet people who have stolen from the Ghanaian coffers, from the purse of Ghana. They will do everything at heart and mind with all the available weapons available to them legally and otherwise. Omunja abanemo. Inti medium yenyamidi for meda na menam na honhom ne me kasa mebebo koko. Inti mabobo koko. Inti no ye besre mebu memu esre so ye papa ye bibia. Ono normal, it should not disappoint Ghana. No, President Mahama should not disappoint Ghana. The NDC should not disappoint Ghana. Because if we allow this regime to get closer to presidency, it will have national security implications. There'll be political instability. There'll be political. Ghana will not be. Will have the most regrettable rule ever. We'll have a bitter taste of rule.
Are you making reference to Bawumia?
Yes, I'm making reference to Bawumia. If we allow Bawumia, Napo, you see, the Lord opened my eyes and I saw, say, it's summed in a chip. Mean we say sum edi that way Bawumia a chip. Now, baby, sum be say, to me ending a chip, near the presidency, the most, he doesn't have that. And then maybe one of the, I think within the months, some few months ago, me say ship so not a we are friends we donkey so. Okay. And I'm gonna say a flagging with the Ghanaian, yeah, they are close with the Ghanaian flag. In Tinyami, I said donkey na ship and nam so. Lorry so we the prophet no. Yamini kasa by symbols. The donkey ship means governorship. And a ship ends and nante lorry council. Ship and so Shania Nana Kufuado Edi Namia Wafa or the Afrom. Na se nyame D4 esan kan yame nkwa D4 be bring he bet angel and then before coming on set wa I congratulate Mahama says the next president of Ghana. Yes, Prophet Hubert Angel.
Okay.
I congratulate him, Mahama said, His Excellency, so he's the next president of Ghana. But you can't win in area. So for paying baby will be a Usuben Parker, El Bendadaka. A deep phony in a refined, unbiased prophet phony in Aka, say a John Dramani Mama NDC. Yet the account, me no Kasem da Fastimo. Me no Kasa, we are me too, me call one of the regions, me call directions. Will be a man one person, but Nya make Kasa, you two more animal. In Tinia Becca, His Excellency said, I'm fan a shebre and tuning some. Oman and ni endao. Oman and ni endao. And this is for more money endao. Ubi be your pet change beer, a man and ni endao. So police station, no, pulling agents for no. They should not eat any strangers' food.
Okay.
They should not drink any strangers' water or anything. And Nyame Mami who said people will come and parade themselves as EC officials, and they are not EC officials. In the Sobiba post or if EC official, almost checking, cross-checking beam. And I mess say NDC for so they want to do business. Amon per se John Mahama ebe present. Yeah, best romo. Say Nyame be expose omo. With what this is not fear and panic. With what I have seen as a prophet of God. Yeah, nyami enoma chre, nyami cha enoma echre. Se Ghana for ye mistake. Na ye ma Ishmael, ebedi Israel soa. Ghana enye Ghana bim.
I mean, the likes of IGP.
Yeah.
I say we should preach peace, but just enra.
Yeah.
The candidates, including John Mahama.
Yeah.
Esani peace party na dia day.
Yeah.
Iti nia ukikeng IGP say these are the things that munjaika. What him the basa
IGP no nyame. IGP no nyame. No, IGP nyame kanya nyame and the constitution allow for my rights. I have no unalienable.
But the rights is the problem be bad there.
Problem be na be ba me kan nyame adwene achero. Nyame hu no nyame da me so da me hu ye no. Kwana na so da kan ye che no. Me a D4. You can't doubt me a D4. I'm a prophet of God. My evidence tells. Same patriotic as here. And I'm saying me son die no. Near radical me.
Because if it goes the other way, and I go for retaliate. That be the Packer make catch out. With you, prophet.
Say NDC for the more money I have there. There is no listen. Let me tell you something, Packer. Let's put aside the prophetic and let's go common sense.
Right.
The last election, President Mahama vis-a-vis Akufo-Addo. Look at how close President Mahama was. And then President Mahama with Bawumia. I mean, it cannot happen. And don't forget, say, almost say they will not win by performance. They are one down, one there. It's not that. It's not by free SHS, which I respect. I think they did well with the free SHS. That's the only positive they've done well. It's not by their 1 million. It's not by. It's said that they have a lot of ways they will win.
And they say kasakwa.
No, and kasakwa. No, you see, you do pempen so yeah. No, Packer say me buy a general kasa. It's my fanetra. But se me tima kung wana me kasa. It's me fanetra. What the microphone out to a kung unti microphone wa. Someone like Chema want to me will tell you that you can't take it. Nana Bill say you can't take it try. Some people say and Nanado is not their rulership, no much their governor, no much they say. They fear John Mahama. They fear Omoda is a nightmare on their mind.
I see.
And you don't expect say ono omo koye nice diplomacy, ono omo kwasle o kata weni o baby out. Into me bumpire so be your pay change be since your dollar is almost 17 cities.
Yeah.
Ebusuanti ensamuno enamede ababesumo na utie se na prophet Nigel Gaisie eni abre na wo kirem se Ishmael asini de wo se yepene ema ne babedi oman no senyesa wo man no ebebre wo kasa no na presenter no kra eyi na sotire e kire ne se sofopani anase papa wo nsemi a wo kan de betimi akofo hawo e de abafi se IGP kra etia wo nsemi a okay na so na ka me ye papa no we nani aboneto pampers abomi fita duku achese ne woka na na woka ema ebinumu bisa se so asofo na yenkomhye anase eye campaign no na wo mu nyina de wo ho agima omoye e de ama party mu susu se omo ba abemu a ebebo mu ma me ho comment e wo video yi ase na e subscribe my page we eye too much gh ya kan na pa bell no e ka ho sa no upload bia ba onsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles no kwa eye too much gh e ya like wo ho na share e fama me macro